The tips of our hair are the oldest, and that is where breakage occurs mostly. Hello beauties, thanks for joining me again today. Today's tutorial is a simple protective style that you can achieve with yes, I'll be putting the power of ponytail to test. So I will take down my threads now, and while you wait for me to do that, if you are here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now. Don't forget to turn on your notification icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Yes, I'll take this down now and we'll get to it. Yes, I'm done. My hair has been previously treated before I put a thread, so I won't be using any product at all. You can choose to slick down your hair with some gel if you so desire. I won't be doing gel. I want it to just look natural, like it should blend in well, like it's all my hair, but you are free to use gel. So we are not going to be doing a crochet, we are not going to be doing cornrow, we are going to be using some bobby pins. Let's watch and learn. So for my ponytail styles, I either twist or braid the tip or thread it to make it protective indeed before I slam my ponytail on. But because I will be changing styles, I won't do long thing, so I'll just do a quick chunky twist with the tip. So this is what the tip looks like. I'm just going to open it like so.
No, I'll never forget that day. No, never forget that day. No, I'll leave it. No, I'll never forget that day. No, never forget that day. No, leave it. No, I'll leave it. No, I'll never forget that day. No, never forget that day. No, leave it. No, I'll leave it. No, I'll never forget that day. No, never forget that day. No, leave it. No, I'll leave it. No, I'll never forget that day. No, never forget that day. No, no.
Now this is the regular, and you can see how it's all blending in well because I didn't put any gel here for slickness. It's a little bit puffy, just the way I like it, so it will look like it's all mine. And then the last but not the least, Yes, you can leave it as a high puff like this. A high puff. But then I have this on because I want to use a hair wrap to match. A head wrap. So this is how long it is. I'm just going to place it on my head like this. I love. Yes, I think this is my favorite. Okay, that's about it for today. I know you can get your hair treated and styled at the salon this period, is why I thought to put this together. It's a simple protective style, and remember at the beginning of this video I pointed that the ends of our hair are more prone to breakage. So wash your hair, get it treated, tuck your ends away and slam a ponytail on. It can be that simple. And yes, you have your birthday, your wedding anniversary, or any celebration whatsoever forthcoming, and you will naturally want to look good and take some pictures, but because of COVID you're like, how do I go about it? Is why I thought to put up this simple tutorial to inspire you to still look good for your specialty. Thanks for joining in, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial. I remain yours truly, Roots and Looks. Bye.